Thanks for tuning into Camera West TV. I'm Gabriel Binder, film equipment specialist and appraiser here at Camera West in Walnut Creek. Today I'm going to show you how to load film into your Barnack Leica. Also known as LTM or screw mount Leicas, these classic cameras make excellent film shooters today. But when this Leica II came out in 1932, film leaders had a longer and thinner shape than they do today. So in order to load a roll of modern 35mm film into the camera, we're going to have to trim that leader to the right shape and size. Leica made a tool for this, the Leica ABLON. You can use your own template or simply some scissors to cut your film leader, but today I'm going to show you how to do it using the Leica tool. So, in order to cut our film, we're going to go ahead and keep the hinge towards us and open up the ABLON, like so. Place it right here. We're going to take our uncut roll of modern 35mm film and pull the leader out along the length of the ABLON until it reaches the end evenly. Now we're going to close the ABLON so that the film is held securely within the tool like so. Now that we have the film in here, we're going to go ahead and give it a cut. You can use any kind of blade tool, and you're just going to want to cut along that curve the whole length of the ABLON. And then you can come back with a few other passes just to make sure you've gotten all the little bits and that we have a nice smooth curve now. Now that we have the film cut, we can remove it from the ABLON, and you're going to want to feed it back into the cassette just a little bit so that the curve we just made is pretty much right at the edge of the film cassette. So now that we've got it all cut, we're ready to put it in the camera. All Leica Barnack cameras load from the base plate. So in order to load the camera, go ahead and set it on its top plate with the lens facing towards you. Remove the base plate by turning the locking key and pull out the take-up spool from the right-hand side of the camera body. Take your film with its freshly cut leader in your left hand and insert the tip of the leader into the slot in the take-up spool. Now, insert both into the camera body and push them down until they stop. Now that we have the film in the camera, we can go ahead and replace the base plate. And we're almost ready to shoot. First, we need to remove that exposed film when we pull the leader across. So we're going to go ahead and fire the camera. And you can tell that you've loaded the film correctly in your Barnack Leica by seeing that the rewind spool turns when you advance. So as you can see, when I turn this, the rewind knob turns as well. Now that we've cleared that exposed film, all we have to do is manually reset our frame counter to 1. And we're now ready to shoot with an 88-year-old camera. Thanks for joining us for this episode of Camera West TV. Make sure to check out our website, camerawest.com, to see all of our latest film and camera inventory.